In a surprising twist to the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana PMAY scheme in Uttar Pradesh, media reports reveal that 11 women from Maharajganj district have allegedly exploited the system in a rather unconventional manner. These women, after receiving the first installment of Rs 40,000 meant to aid in the construction of permanent homes, reportedly absconded with their sweethearts, leaving their husbands behind. This unexpected development was brought to the authorities' attention when the deserted husbands lodged complaints with the police. The PMAY scheme, designed to assist poor and middle-class families, had recently disbursed funds to approximately 2,350 beneficiaries in the Maharajganj district. However, this episode of sudden desertion has prompted officials to reconsider the release of the second installment of payments. Under the PMAY scheme, families can receive subsidies up to Rs 2.5 lakh based on their income, with provisions in place for the government to reclaim funds if discrepancies arise. This isn't the first instance of such behavior in the region. Last year, a similar situation unfolded when 4 married women vanished with their sweethearts after a Rs 50,000 grant was deposited into their accounts. The authorities noticed the issue when the promised construction work on their homes did not commence, leading to warnings from the District Urban Development Agency. This series of incidents has not only disrupted the lives of the involved families but also raised concerns about the potential misuse of government schemes intended for genuine assistance.